Hello, this is the help video for range. This will be NTI day. Let me look this up really fast. Sorry about that. Oh, sorry. It's going to be NTI days 16 through 17, April 27th through 28. And hopefully this one will help you know how to do range at the end. Okay. So first for range, here's the paper that you're going to do today. Okay, and it says find the range for the given set. Range is the maximum or the biggest number minus the minimum or the smallest number. For example, if we look at all of these numbers, we find that 62 is our biggest number. So 62 will come first. Then we need to look and see what our smallest number is. And our smallest number is 12. So 12 will come second. When we do the subtraction problem, 62 minus 12, we get 50. So this is the range for that data set above. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and work out 1 and 2 with you just to make sure that you know what we're doing. So let's look at the range for this data set. If it's really hard for you to figure out which number is smallest and biggest, you can put them in order. Okay, so I'm going to put them in order above. So there's 17, and I like to cross it out when I'm done. There's a 17, there's another 17 right there. Cross that out. Look, oh, there's 11. I'm going to put 11 over here because 11 is less than 17. I'm going to put my little, these are commas. Okay. Okay, so after 17, then we have 22. And we're just putting these in order. And if you're not sure if this is hard for you, you can ask an adult to help you or hop on a chat with me and I'll help you get them in order. The next number, let's see, is 36. So there's my 36. Okay. There's 43. I'm going to cross that out. And there's 71. Now, for range, you absolutely do not have to put them in order. If you can look at the data set and you can find the smallest number and the biggest number, you do not have to put these in order. Okay, so I just wanted to make sure you understand that. If you can just look and say, oh, 11 is the smallest and 71 is the biggest, that's perfectly fine. Okay, then you want to do 70. You take the biggest number and write that first. 71 minus 11 is the second, is the smallest number. Okay, and then we get the range is 60. Okay, at this stage right here, it would be very easy for you to use a cell phone calculator. I guess you're on your computer right now, so you can pull up that Desmos calculator. Remember that Desmos, when you just type it into a Google browser, it's going to pull up the one that you need to use, so desmos.com/scientific. And this is a calculator that you can use if you have no cell phone or you don't have a calculator at home. Okay, so you can always use this one. Go back to our range. Okay, so the answer for number 1 is there, 71 minus 11, and 60 is our answer. That's our range. Okay, let's go ahead and do number 2. Let me demonstrate the other way I showed you how to do it. Okay, the first way, like the example. I'm going to look at all of the numbers. I'm going to find the smallest number. 9 is my smallest number, so I am going to just kind of circle that to keep it in my head. That is my smallest number. Okay. Now I'm going to try to find my biggest number. It looks like that 84 is the biggest number. So I'm going to do this. And then I put 84. You put your biggest number first. Minus 9 is my smallest number. And then at this point, go ahead and type that into your calculator. We get 84 minus 9. And our answer is 75. That is the range. 75. Okay. So that's how you do these. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and erase all this so we can look at the bottom, the word problems. Okay, so go ahead and skip down to number 7 with me if you're following along. I'm going to erase all of my writing so we can look. Okay, so don't get mixed up just because it's a word problem, okay? We're going to circle what it wants us to do, range, okay? So that's all you do. You're going to take these numbers and you're going to find the range just like you did here at the top, okay? It's very, very easy. And then for number, oops, I'm going to scroll down a little bit. And then for number 7, let's see, that's number 7. Number 8, it's the same way, okay? It's the same way. You're just going to look at these numbers, and you're going to figure out the range, okay? If you still have questions after this video, you're not sure, please be sure to reach out, make a comment on this page, or hop on to my Google Zoom meeting time. I get a little lonely. I'd love to see some people, love to help. So please don't be afraid to reach out for help. Thanks, guys. Stay safe.